Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install the latest version of Python on Windows and machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Open your favorite browser. I am on Windows 10 and type Python. So from here, you have to open the official website of the Python. Click on that and download. Then click on download. So you can see the latest version of the Python is 3.12.6. So we'll just download that and we'll just open that. So go to the directory where you have downloaded the exe file and run that. So yes, mark this, use the admin privileges when installing and add Python directory path. Okay. And you click on customize and mark all of this. Click next. Install Python for all users. And so this is the path where our Python will be installed. Click on install and click on yes. So it will take a little time to install. So setup was successful. So click on close. So I'm using bash. You can use command prompt or bash. It's up to you. And go to bash. Now when you type Python, or command prompt, you can see. So we have installed the Python 3.12.6. Let's type in. You can see it's working fine. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel, and like the video.